What's up, everybody? I know you may not know me, but you may know me, and if you know me, let's get it poppin'. It's your boy DB live in the building, aka Marketing with Dom. So you must subscribe to my channel. And today we're gonna talk about what? How to make money on OnlyFans. So if you're looking at my video like, who's this guy? Just to let you know, I am the number one coach on OnlyFans. I think number one. I'm pretty sure I'm number one. I'm pretty sure I'm number one OnlyFans coach in the game. And people would be like, well, how do you know that? Or could you prove it? Well, all these other videos that you're going to watch on YouTube, you're going to tell me, do they have students? Do they have people who actually go to their course and make a bunch of money on OnlyFans? And I mean anywhere from $2,000 to $20,000 to $30,000 a month on OnlyFans. I don't think so. When I say I know what I'm talking about, how to make money on OnlyFans, and people are misleading you across this platform, please make sure you know what we're going to do. What we are going to do is tell you the facts. And people are going to watch this video and be like, oh my God, are these the facts? Or no? Let me tell you something. I've seen about 1,000, if not more, back ends of OnlyFans, people who are making money to people who are not making money, and I know the difference. So let's talk about the first thing. Please make sure you have a pen and pad or paper, because if you do not, why are you watching my video? I truly do not understand. I truly don't. Okay, so the first thing you got to know is, I'm going to break it down, and this is the simple part of it. I'm going to express this to you the simple way, because if you want to get complicated, you could always go down below, click on my link, and join my free course, which goes even more depth, and then join me personally, which when you get trained by me, every individual person is different. So I can't give a business model that has to be super personal, but you have to learn the basics. So let's talk about that today. Write on your piece of paper. These are the 3 things you need. This is for a beginner. This is for someone who's like, what do I do? I don't know. Or I'm doing this, but how do I grow faster? Listen, there's only 3 things that you need, and I'm going to make it simple for you to get through these 3 things, right? The first thing you need is traffic. So you can learn how to do social media traffic, grow all that. Listen, it's a business. If you don't have one, you start off, it's going to be hard. That's what you got to do. But if you are in the adult-ish kind of industry, which you may not be, which you can make money in any kind of field, so please do not let me shy you away from this, because you're not an adult-ish. But I work in the adult-ish industry. I say ish because some people just do like brusque, barely anything crazy, but they make really good money. It doesn't have to be feet pictures. It just depends on what they are, right? But here's the first thing you got to know, your traffic. Where are you getting your traffic from? See, I teach you how to go into what we have these things called Telegram groups, where models are already crushing it in the thousands, and you're able to buy media directly from them. No, you will not grow as fast as you would if you had your own social media, because those people are already customers of other people, but you can make good money. And good money anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 from just getting promotions and working on that end. And I train and I teach people how to do all of that. But let's break down the basics. You need to learn how to get traffic. That's the number one thing you need to do. Okay? So I teach a strategy about a free paid and a paid page. People are like, why do you do both? Oh my God, that's so much. Because in OnlyFans, if you don't have an extreme amount of fans, you need people to be able to convert, what is it called? Convert is what I would call it. Convert or whatever. Conversion. That's what, in my bad, digital marketing. Got to use the terminology so that I don't not use this terminology. Traffic, conversions, sales. Those are the 3 things. Write them down. Traffic, then write down conversions, then write down sales. Those are the main 3 things you need to build an OnlyFans business through and through, and how to make money in this business. If you don't have traffic, how are you going to convert something? If you don't convert something, how are you going to sell them? It's that simple, but people complicate it. And what complication creates waves of problems and issues and non-action takers. You need to be an action taker. I cannot express that enough. I can't wait till someone tries to rip this video apart, because by then I'll probably have 3,000 more videos that are better than this one. But if you're watching this video, you should know that this advice is the best. And I say best because I also take classes from some people who are making $15,000, $20,000 a month on OnlyFans that I work with, that I think they're still not better than mine, which is offensively. But if you're out there and I've never taken your stuff, shout out. Please hit me up. Tell me what you can teach, because I'm willing to pay some bread to learn everything possible to make sure every single model that works with me and my student has the best information. That's what it's keyed out to be. Be the best, or not that at all. But overcomplicating it can make you lose. So let's go back to the basics. Traffic, conversions, sales. All right. So in the conversion phases, you got to figure out where you're getting your traffic from. If you don't have any traffic, that's why you're going to join me and take my course and learn from my team, so you can get a place where you can get traffic from. That's it, for free. We'll show you how to get free traffic on OnlyFans. Okay. So first of all, That was actually a video idea. Free traffic and OnlyFans. That's about to be a topic. Free traffic. I'm gonna write that down. Free traffic on OnlyFans. You know what I'm saying? Because we be out here getting. This is how you get a business. This is get creative, right? Because I'm gonna show you because this is real. So I'm gonna actually open it because I like to show people stuff now because I realize why not show you it's real. And if somebody else gets you in here, great. Get in the groups. You gotta know how to use them too, which I also hope you know how to do and use it. And learn it if you get in there. That's all I gotta say. People are like, well, listen, I'm bidding on everybody winning. I hope everybody wins. And I think I didn't even open up the right thing just now. I hope everybody wins. That's really my thing. People, I don't understand why that's a big deal. Everybody should win. You should be able to get these 3 things. Sorry, I'm ranting on. I'm going to stop ranting. Let me open these Telegram groups. All right, so basically I'm going to open these Telegram groups and I'm going to show you what it looks like and what it takes to actually grow your platform to that level of growth. It's popping open right now. Here we go. Let's get on this screen. Let's move this over to the other screen. Sorry. Okay, bam, it's there. So this is Telegram groups, right? Let me pop this out here this way for you. Okay, actually you can't see it. Let's get back to it. Bam. Because I like to give notes. This is the Telegram groups that we're in right here. Bam. Let's move this. These are the Telegram groups. These are where you buy promotions from other models. And we show you how to do it and also how to do these things called drops. Drops are absolutely free traffic. That's it. And you traffic them to a free page, which is the conversion, so you can now have access to sell them, and you start trying to sell them content. And if you don't know how, that's what we teach you. We continuously go through the platform of showing people how to go from the basics to how to actually get to the point where they're teaching and growing people on the platform. It's a continuous of growth. If you get into these groups and you're killing it already, or if you're overwhelmed, you don't know, me and my team will help you understand that and get that down to the factor. So how do you make money? You keep it simple. Figure out what you're going to sell. And the first thing you need to do is figure out where you're going to get traffic from. That's a solution. That's the first solution you should have. All right, where am I going to get traffic? What am I selling to that traffic? Okay, how am I going to convert the traffic? And then how to win. How do you make money? That's how you make money. Right? Other people are going to be like, I'm looking for direct tips. You need to get those things down before you start learning how to give promotions, how to do trials, all those simple things. So it's your boy DB Live in the building. This is how you make money on OnlyFans. Figure out your traffic. You join your boy. There's a free course down below for you to get in there and get a free strategy for you to pop in and come work with me and the team. I really appreciate everybody who's been learning the process, and for all the students who are in here actively growing and getting their bag. Let's go. I'll see you guys on the other side. Till next time. Make sure you subscribe to my page and comment down below because we out here to win. Oh, I thought I was over here.